Google's newest flagship models are the Gemini 3.5 and Gemini 3.1 families. These models introduce massive leap in autonomous agent execution, vibe coding, and deep reasoning capabilities. In this video, I will try out Gemini 3.5 Flash model and Gemini 3.1 Pro model and try to figure out how they perform in real world scenario. I will implement app UI design and try to figure out how they performs in real use cases. Okay. But before we deep dive in, let me discuss about those models. The first one is Gemini 3.5 Flash models. This is the default model, Google's latest default model for everyday and long horizon tasks, offering frontier level intelligence with lightning fast speed and high efficiency. On the other hand, Gemini 3.1 Pro model is the most advanced model for highly complex challenges featuring deep reasoning and coding capabilities with a massive 1 million token context window. If you want to try out those models for free, you can just visit either Gemini from the website. You can see right now here, you will have already default selected Gemini 3.5 Flash model. Here you can see there is also 3.1 Pro model available for advanced math and code. And 3.5 is actually all-rounder helper. Okay, you can just use it from here. If you use Google AI Studio, you can see right now here on this Google AI Studio, Gemini 3. Flash preview is available. If you click there, here you can see right now Gemini 3. Flash Lite available, and here you will have lots of stuff. So if you just click this featured option, you will see Gemini 3.5 Flash model. Here, if you scroll a little bit, right now Gemini 3.1 Pro preview model is available. Okay, so you can use it from here, or if you have anti-gravity installed, you can just get it here. If you click here, you can see Gemini 3.5 Flash, very fast. It's actually for limited time. And here Gemini 3.1 Pro is high and low already available. Okay, so you can use them from here also. And for this tutorial purpose, I have used actually AI Studio. And here you can see I have a prompt. I just say ChatGPT to write a design.md file for meditation app UI UX design system. And here you will have all of these stuff based on these actually design.md file. I will try to implement the application. So I will simply copy it and go to AI Studio. From here, you can just simply click code and chat. Then here you can see Gemini 3.5 Flash model is available here. And if I go with build apps with Gemini, then here you will have something like this. You can click this build and Android app. And right now I will paste the actual prompt here. Then I will click this build options. Okay. So here you can see right now it's actually scanning context. And now you can see if you see this code, it's actually try to generating code, prioritizing code database strategy, and all of these stuff. You can see how much it's actually work here. Huge things is done by the AI. If I just show you the code, this is very large code base. You can see lots of files there, files and folders there, and see everything is done by AI. And here is the summary of what it did. And if I want to click this preview, you can see it actually just did exactly what I said. Here you can see, you can just swap it. Okay, it's perfectly working and much better UI. Then let me check if I click this continue, what happened here. Okay, so it's actually click this get started. Here you will have to provide your email and password to sign in. Let me provide something like this. I just provide a Gmail account and a random password. Then you can see this is the interface. Here, this is homepage. You will have your logo, notification sections, and here how you did fill. You can just choose any of it. Right now, calm, stressed, elegant, and lots of stuff is there. So you can see this is very unique. You can just scroll it. Okay, you can just scroll it in any direction. Okay, it's perfectly working. If you click explore, you can see all of this is here. Okay, you can just search any of it, or you can just click any of these. So to for filter down. Okay, and then we will have breath options. Here you will have your progress tracker. You can see the UI is much better, and I love actually how Gemini 3.5 Flash model actually done for me. I actually love this. So right now I am very impressed. You can just click this publish to open the publish setting, or you can just remix it. But I love actually this app UI, and my this is actually exact app and it did perfectly better. Okay, so I think you understand how those model is performing. Please try to use all of those model. Right now I am using it free on actually AI Studio, Google AI Studio. You can do also do that, or you can use Google Gemini. Let me know if you want to build these type of applications and want my prompt. Just leave a comment. I will try to provide this prompt for you. Okay.